Hello YouTube, today we're going to be reviewing for you quite an obscure character from the Star Wars The Force Awakens 12-inch toy line. We're going to be reviewing the FLAMETROOPER. Here we go. It's very different from the ordinary one that we were, well, the First Order Stormtrooper that we were looking at last week. I'm really pleased with this. It's like I say, an obscure one. Ages 4+. A bit of a pricey one, I have to say, this figure. They retail in Argos for about $17.99. I was lucky enough to get mine off eBay for £13.49, which is a massive saving as far as I'm concerned. I still don't think they're really worth more than a tenner, I have to say, but you want the figure, it's a bit more of an obscure one, you're going to pay a little bit more. So let's take a look at the box first. There we are, Star Wars The Force Awakens by Disney HASBRO. Lovely artwork on the box, a much bigger box as well, probably something to do with this cindery device here. On the side, other characters that they want you to buy. Kyle Rin, what's this guy's name again? Finn, that's right, and good old Chewie. Again, a nice elongated picture of the FLAMETROOPER on the side, which is basically a stormtrooper. Well, it'll say on the back actually. I'll read the back now because it's got a little thing which tells you all about it. It says, First Order Stormtrooper, the FLAMETROOPER, sorry. Specialised Stormtroopers of the First Order. FLAMETROOPers carrying cindery weapons that can transform any battlefield into an infernal blaze. Well, there you go. Lots of gumphing foreign on the back, as is custom with these kinds of things. But, well, let's bust it open and see what we think of it. Trusty penknife. Here we go. Well sealed. Yep, what we got? More lighting. We got the obligatory card, all the foreign guff from all the franchises of the world which are involved in Star Wars. And there he is, looking good. That's really good. Take a look at the weapon first. Let's see if we can get the weapon off the card. It's very well sealed down. Okay, the weapon is basically like a flamethrower. It's actually very detailed, even on the side which you're not really going to see. It's really quite detailed. It's basically a backpack and a hose and an incredibly detailed weapon, which we can't see because the light seems to be going in here. There we go, that's better. The detail on that, that's very nice. I have to say Hasbro's really pulled its finger out on the paint jobs of these things. So presumably this fits in here. It's like a nice and rubbery as well. Really well made, I think. So that's the weapon, and let's take a look at the soldier. Should really do a jump cut, shouldn't I? But whatever. Cannot be arsed. Okay. Well. Yeah, that's really quite a sturdy figure. There he is. Let's have a look at the points of articulation. First of all, it's got the head on a ball socket, which is really good. Very stiff because it's new. The arms, that sort of movements. No movements at the elbows. Movements at the wrists, they can swizzle around. Same with the other arm. Swizzle around. And the legs, just up and down. Obviously they can't move anymore because of his armour on the back and his pouch. I really like that. I like the armour. I like the detail, and I like the paint job as well. Let's fit the weapon on. That fits into a little peg hole in the back, like so. Ooh, again a nice snug fit. That looks so cool. That looks really good. Which hand do they want you to hold it in? I think that looks quite nice. Ooh, can he hold it there without causing too much of a kerfuffle? There, see, it fits perfectly. There we go. Alright, I really like that. I'm going to set him down and I'm going to let you take a look and see what you think. Here we go. That is such nice detailing, isn't it? It's not quite 12 inches as well, it falls just slightly shy of 12 inches. There's no scuff marks on it, which there was on the other one that we had before, which I reviewed last week. This one's basically perfect. And close up on the weapon there. Some lovely detail. There we go. So there we have it, folks. That is the Star Wars Force Awakens FLAMETROOPER 12-inch figure. And I think that's got to be worth a 10 out of 10. And it would make a fantastic display piece to your collection. So there we go. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.